Check it out, guys. Just made this awesome pumpkin and pork curry, and just peeled some of this pumpkin as well for some pumpkin soup. The other day we did like a stir-fried pumpkin as well. Check those recipes and check out the vlog where I got the pumpkin as well. Anyway, I thought I'd save some of the skin, and I'm going to see if I can do like a pumpkin wine. So there's all the peel, obviously, from the pumpkin, absolutely massive one. It's like 4.8 kilos, and yeah, see if we can make some wine from the skin. Okay, so we're just over like half a kilo. I got some of the insides. Try and ferment them as well. There you go, about 615 grams or just over. Okay, so I've just got the pressure cooker on here, and I've just filled it up with around about 2 litres of water, and I'm just going to bring that to the boil, and then obviously add in the pumpkin here. The water's come to a boil, and just going to add in the pumpkin now. Like I say, I'm not doing this scientifically, I'm just doing a bit of an experiment, so yeah, don't expect miracles from this. Okay, so there we go. I'm just going to add in like 100 grams of sugar as well to help with more fermentation. Oh, 101. Oh, not bad, not bad. There we go. Just going to bring up this to a simmer for a few minutes, and then going to let it cool. Been cooking the pumpkin now for about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's all like cooked down. Obviously, I wanted to like release some of the starches from the skin as it's quite hard. So yeah, just going to wait for this to cool now, and then I'm going to bottle it up and add in my Chinese yeast ball to see how it goes with that. Obviously, if you're watching this and you know about friggin' making wines and everything, tell me what I've done wrong, what's good, what's different and everything. Let me know in the comments. And anyone else who's watching this, let me know something in the comments. What do you think of this? Would you give it a go? And check it out. So it's cooled down nicely now, just like a lukewarm temperature. I'm just going to put this now into my bottle I've got one of these like plastic drinking bottles. Obviously plastic's not the best. You're better off getting glass because of the plastic leaching, but I don't have any, and yeah, this will do. Obviously make sure it's cool when you put into plastic, because the leaching is like 20 times more, and obviously you don't want frigging plastic getting into your body because it like acts like an estrogen and completely messes you up. So be careful using plastic all the time, people. But yeah, modern times, we do things a bit there, so yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm just about to bottle this up now and add in the yeast ball, and I've also made a cup of tea because yeah, gotta have a cup of tea, people. Yeah, check it out, my lovely man mug as well. Yeah, enough for girls. Just putting in the liquid first. Obviously, guys, make sure everything is clean AF. When you're doing like fermenting and whatnot, you've got to have everything super clean, so you don't want like any like other like bad bacteria or anything getting in. So just put everything inside there now, all the pumpkin skin and all the innards and everything. And here's the yeast balls. Check them out. Awesome. Got some like bacteria and yeast in there. Just going to use one of them, and yeah, just going to break it up first because they're quite hard, and we want to break it down so it all gets like mixed together. Obviously, make sure it's not too hot. You don't want to kill all the yeast. Bosh, and we're done. Okay, let's put it on tightly. Now obviously you want to probably like an S sort of filter, because it's going to release like the carbon dioxide, so it can explode. So don't leave it for ages and ages. You're going to want to like unscrew the lid every like morning and evening to release the pressure, or like I'd say, you can get a balloon over here or something like that, or like one of the S sort of filters, which are the proper jobbies. But yeah, I'm going to do it the cheap way first. Mix it all together. So yeah, not much room on my balcony at the moment. I've just been sorting stuff out, so apologies for the mess. Ooh, the lovely glutinous rice wine, the sticky rice wine. As you can see, look, it's well hard, so you've got to be careful. Like, listen to this, that's what I say. If you don't do this properly, don't do that every night. It's going to have an explosion everywhere. Oh my god, that smells amazing. This one is so good. The friggin' sticky rice wine is absolutely amazing. And this one obviously is going to take a few weeks to do, so I'm going to come back, well, in a few days anyway, and show you what it's like after it's like fermenting. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. Cheers. Chickabosh, what's up, guys? It's Andy from the future. So if you didn't know, I've got the worst friggin' luck ever. I have the opposite of the Midas touch. Everything they touch turns to gold. Everything I touch turns to excrement. So unfortunately, all of my videos from the rest of that sort of alcohol wine session has all been corrupted. All the hard drives are broken. I've lost loads of stuff. So yeah, wonder friggin' full. So yeah, unfortunately I don't have the rest of it, but yeah, 2 years now from the future, I decided to like go through some of the older videos and obviously get them out, because stuff like that just drives me insane if I don't get it out. So anyway, I've got a couple of pictures, as you can see here. There's the leftover of the pumpkin wine. I left it for a few months, and then I bottled it up, as you can see, in a little sort of a Coke bottle, sugar-free of course, keto. And yeah, at the end of the day, I bought a wine tester as well. The wine tester, the alcohol tester, and the sugar tester to test it all. But yeah, as I say, the friggin' Andy touch, it all got smashed in the friggin' delivery, so I didn't have anything. Obviously, I wanted to test the alcohol content and the sugar content just to see how much it was, especially if you're doing like keto. And that's good to know. It's good to know anyway. But yeah, so all of that all went. And yeah, the wine turned out pretty nice actually. It wasn't super strong. I think next time if I do it, obviously add more of the actual pumpkin meat and everything. But yeah, it's turned out pretty friggin' nice. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I might make some more in the future and give it a go. So make sure you comment, let me know something in the comments about what I did right, what I did wrong, and everything. Obviously, the sugar in the wine gets fermented into alcohol, like I said earlier on the writing and that. So if you're doing keto, you will have the alcohol. Obviously, it's not that great for you no matter what diet you're doing, but it's all freaking good. A little we're in there, it's not the end of the world. Anyway, I'm just going to be waffling now, so yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for our Dubai vlogs and everything coming soon from last year again, so I'm just so out of freaking date. And yeah, subscribe, comment, like, and all that malarkey. Thank you very much. Cheer me up because I'm freaking absolutely miserable and everything's going wrong lately. So thank you, take care, and stay cool. And I'm going to put my t-shirt on the right way around now. Chickabash, what's up guys? It's Andy from the future with my t-shirt inside out, but yeah, it's all good. Bottled it up and put them in some like bottles.